Good afternoon everyone, welcome to another vlog here on the World of Coasters. Well, I say vlog, construction update. I'm not alone on this one.
No.
I've got Lewis here. He hasn't been here for a little while on the channel, have you?
Busy at work, mate.
Literally, you've got a new job, haven't you? We've dipped into the park today just to film a construction update, have a look around at the new Shipwreck Cove. That'll be on a separate video, guys. But yeah, I'm trying to compete with the world's loudest speakers ever. So we come into the park via the Explorer Gate over here. No major work has gone along here, but they've actually put some scrimmage up on this fence over here. This construction update video will be slightly less than previous, as you know, there's not much to see now because Shipwreck Cove is now complete and open. But yeah, like I say, another video we'll be having a look into that. So let's see what we can see going on the construction site. So yeah, they've got these scrims up all across. You can't see a lot. I'll hopefully be able to get a good view from around the side. But yeah, if I come around here, I might be able to lift you up above. So yeah, we've got the Jaguar Rock-esque piece of theming. Got the foundations going in for the flat rides there, and a few of the footers for the roller coaster. From the outside of the Explorer Gate now, you can just about make out they've started putting the wire mesh on the theming element. It's almost certainly going to be Jaguar Rock from Jumanji. It's about the same size as Big Bob at Alton Towers, but as I said earlier, you can't really see a lot because of the scrim net. So we kind of head round and see if I can see anything around the side of the site. But if I can get close enough from here, just looking over, you can just about make out foundations for the ride here. This is one of the footers. The foundation's one of the flat rides just in front of us. So we're here in the middle of the summer holidays. The date today is the 3rd of August. It is busy in the Lewis. The car park is absolutely rammed. We got a few more little bits of theming along this wall, but I think it's more for Wilderfest, to be honest. It's just a few bits of material. I'm not going to be able to show you over this fence. It's still quite a tall fence. Let's see. Do you reckon I can reach over? Let's have a look. Just about. So I can't see anything. So I'm just going to pan left and right, and I'll have to say if I see anything of interest. So as I said before, our views are much more limited now, mainly because of the fence having the scrim up. All of this area around Canopy Capers now, the viewing point that we used to have up on this little tree house just here, that is now not really viewable because this is full bushed out. Last time I went up there, you really couldn't see anything. So yeah, we won't be going up there today. We got our viewing spots just down here on the left and the little bank on the right. Then we head down to Vampire, and that'll basically be it for this construction update. There's no signs of any track on park yet, but I do think they're getting quite close to track arriving on site. So yeah, from the viewing point that we got here, we can basically see a lot of foundations going in. There's a new fence going up over here, so I don't know whether they're going to remove these construction walls at some point, as I don't really know what's going on there. That's going to be the perimeter for the land, and it's going to have theming on it. Yeah, it's like a perimeter wall, and that's quite a bit in from the construction wall. Around here we've got some more digging going in. Like I say, the foundation for the 2 flat rides is over there. One of them is just behind where this digger is digging, and the other one is where this digger is in the front. Also got the station building going up now, which when I go over the other side we'll have a closer look at. Right, so we're closer to the wall now, and we just have a little poke over. We can actually see the full station now in place. Looks like we got the main run for the station. Nothing really giving away the manufacturer yet, though it's speculated to be B&M. Totally covered station. Got the big old theming element back there, which will be the Jaguar Rock. And along here we have some more of the footers for the roller coaster, and there should be a foundation somewhere for one of the rides. A little bit awkward from here because I can't really see the screen, so I'm just kind of zooming and panning for you guys. But yeah, they have done a lot of work since we last visited the park. So looking at this bit of walling by the old entrance for Transylvania, which is now Wildwoods, they've changed this. It's a lot taller than it used to be. I should still be able to get over it. As you can see, it's just a little like verge here. We're not climbing over anything major, but let's see if I can see anything from here. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to reach over actually. So another view of the station, a lot closer. Yeah, you can't really see a lot because of the trees in the way. But yeah, work is definitely progressing there. They really don't hang about with their construction. It'd be really cool to see this towards the end of the season. Hopefully when Winter's Tale is in full swing, which actually the advert's over there for, we'll visit and hopefully we'll be able to get close. I could see them blocking this off though, because they won't want the coaster nerds coming down here and filming it, because I know what Merlin are like. But yeah, let's head down to the bottom, which they've actually put a full block on it now, so I don't know how much we're going to be able to see. Yeah, let's have a think. Where could we stand? Might be able to stand on there or along the wall somewhere. We'll have a look down the bottom and see what's blocked off. So when we come down to the old gated off area, they've kind of ripped it all out now, and they're building the old maintenance shed for the new coaster here. So that is this building right in front of us here. Station building just over here, so we can see a lot more than we used to. But yeah, the amount of work they've done is quite impressive, because we can see all the way into the site now. But as far as I'm aware, this will not be an entrance into the area. This will just strictly be for maintenance. So that is the maintenance building there. Right guys, so a shorter video today. There's not as much to see because of the bushiness of the trees and the fact that they're putting these more higher walls up, but they definitely are getting their finger out with the vertical work. I reckon we're talking under a month until we start seeing track on site, but it is exciting to see, isn't it, Lewis? It is. It's, these initial plans coming to life. Oh yeah, like Chessington haven't had a new coaster since 2004 when they opened Dragon's Fury, so it's long overdue, and it's going to be the first inverting coaster in Chessington. I can't wait. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy these construction update videos, be sure to leave a like, leave your comments and thoughts on what's going on, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.